So today we are here at the alternate garden with my mother-in-law again, and it's tomato planting day. So she's got already some tomatoes in the ground, and as you can tell here, she's got in the middle beautiful basil. So you've heard me talk about companion planting. Oh, she's also got nasturtium, which is also great for companion planting. So these guys really help each other out. So the basil scent will keep a lot of the tomato bugs that like to munch on the tomatoes. The basil will keep them away, and the nasturtiums will as well. Nasturtiums are also an edible flower, so keep that in mind when you're planting flowers for pollinators. Plant something that you can also throw in some salads too. String from the top of our trellis, and she's going to be actually tying these directly down onto the plant. Now we're waiting a little bit until these plants get a bit bigger so that we actually need to hold them down, but this is one good way of staking that's a little bit less expensive than buying a bunch of cages, and it's also very durable. So this garden twine that we bought will actually be able to be composted at the end of the season. So when you take up all your tomato plants, you can just keep them all in your compost pile and not have to worry about taking out your garden twine. So that's just one method of staking your tomatoes. Okay, so this is the new bed that we prepared in the beginning of the season. So this used to be our tomato bed, but we moved the tomato trellis over one just for companion planting reasons. I prefer it somewhere else in the garden this year. Also to help with our soil. We don't want, I like the crop rotation idea a lot, just to help with the soil so that I'm not pulling the same nutrients out every year. So this year I'm actually going to be doing 2 different types of basil in this bed, as well as some oregano and parsley. So more of an herb bed right here. It is next to my pea trellis, so I have to be cautious of what I'm planting so that I'm not pulling any of the bad bugs over to those types of vegetables. But I think it's a large enough bed that it's enough food to share. So this year we're doing 2 basils. We're doing the Italian large leaf as well as Genovese. So I have to watch how I plant these because with any of the basil, you don't want them too close together. You actually want some of them apart from what I grow. I've always planted these in between my tomatoes, which I will also do. I have some seed started for transplants downstairs. So I've never really concerned myself with planting them too close together. But we are a pesto-loving family over here, so I will be planting these just about 18 inches apart, which will give us quite a few crops. So. So here we are next to my A-frame, and this guy's just cattle panel, but this is where I grow my cucumbers. Currently on the other side I'm growing a boatload of peas, snap peas, and all kinds of binding peas. However, for companion planting reasons, I like to intermix radish with my cucumber. I also have beet underneath here, underneath the A-frame, because I'm getting so much sun here because my cucumbers aren't here yet. I'm going to plant my beet in the middle here, so that'll be good. So I am doing 2 different varieties of radish, and I know radish kind of sounds like an old-fashioned vegetable, but when you guys cut those things up, marinate them, and roast them, they are delicious. And we've even done it on the grill in the middle of summertime, just in some tin foil. You guys gotta try them. Fresh out of the garden that night for dinner, can't go wrong.